Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain PDP with managed attributes. So till previous video I have explained PDP with the custom filter and simple filter. In this video let's see PDP with managed attributes. So let's click on any of the dataset. I am going with test. So come to PDP, click on enable PDP. Yeah. Okay, so I clicked on enable PDP. Now let's have something already, so I want to create new one. Okay, so first we need to select the column name. Okay, so let's click on access type filter by manage attributes. So this time I am going to use filter by manage attributes. Okay, now we need to select the manage attributes, so I am selecting employee ID. Okay, attributes should be employee ID. Okay, so this employee ID is coming from data set. Okay, this column name is of the data sets. Okay, and then access type filter manage attribute and then attributes employee ID. So what does it mean? It simple mean when we create a Domo account, we have some attributes like our name, employee ID, state, address, country. These are the attributes. So we have an option to mark whether this attribute is a managed attributes or not. Okay. So in my example, I have marked employee ID as a managed attributes in Domo. Okay, in Domo profile, and in my data set also I have an employee ID. Okay, so whenever any of the employee will log into Domo and they will open any of the cards or data sets, whenever he or she will open card based on this test data sets. Okay, so they will be able to see only their data, not any other employee data, because in the data set we have an employee ID. Okay, and on the same data set we have applied filter by manage, we have applied PDP filter by manage attributes, and attribute we are taking employee ID. Okay, so they can see only data on report or card where their employee ID will match. Okay, so let's see practically. Okay, this is just theoretical part, let's see practically. So I clicked on employee ID. Okay, now I need to give the access. So this is the tia@gmail.com. Okay, we have an option to add. Already tia has the access. Let's remove all the things. This is the tia. Okay, so I am giving access to tia. Let's save this. Okay, now come to the data. Okay, in this we have employee ID section. Okay, so let's see what are the employee ID we have. It's takes some time to load sometime. Yeah, we have a two employee ID 1234 1235. Okay, now come to Domo admin. Let's see the people. Okay, people means yeah, tia. So tia employee ID is 1235. Okay, so when tia will log into Domo, okay, using her email ID or password, what will happen? Tia will able to see only data where employee ID is 1235, because we have applied manage attributes filter in PDP. Okay, and this is the employee ID for tia 1235, and this one we have an option to add. If we don't have some attributes, we have an option to add any kind of attributes. So here I have added this much attributes. Okay, and marked employee ID as a manage attributes. You can see there is a tick mark in manage attributes. So whenever whenever tia will log in to Domo, what will happen? This is people section. Whenever tia will log into Domo and she will open the card related to the test dataset which I used to create a PDP, she will be able to access only her data. Okay, let's check the tia one. Okay, So this is the Domo where Tia has login. So you can see the profile. This is Tia at the rate gmail.com. Okay. So let's click test card. Okay. Test card. So this is the test card that is built on based on this test data set which I use to create a PDP. Okay. So TI employee ID is 1235. Okay. So you can see in this test card, TIA can see data for 1235. TIA cannot see other employee data. So in the main data set, if I go to another window, click on data, test, okay, go to PDP, sorry, data, in data employee ID. So in this data set, we have a multiple employee IDs. Click on include, like 1234 okay, and we created a PDP on this data sets. Okay, applied PDP column name employee ID, which I am taking from the test data sets, and then access type applying filter by manage attributes, then attribute is employee ID. Okay, and then giving access to multiple people, but those people only can see the data if their employee ID matches with the employee ID of the test dataset. So TIA employee ID is 1235, and come to another window, can see TIA can see only her employee her TIA can only see data where her employee ID matches with the employee ID. Okay. So this is all about PDP using manage attributes in Domo. Thank you.